Hello, my name is Kazushi Shimomura. Thanks for visiting my YouTube video. And this is my first one and probably the last. And today I'll talk about the vending machine in Japan. First, I want you to imagine the scene like this. Oh my god, I'm so full. The lunch is very nice.
Yeah, that's good.
What do you want to play now? What do you want to do now?
I want to play soccer.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
I'm thirsty. Okay, let's drink then. Drink. Oh, I'm so thirsty.
I'm very thirsty too. Let's go to convenience store.
No, you can buy drinks here.
What is?
This is called vending machine. You can buy drinks easy with this. So in order to buy it, you have to see the price here, and here, and you have to put the money here.
Okay. So I want this.
You have to pay 100 yen.
Okay. Is it broken?
No. There's a sign here. It says urikire in Japanese. That means sold out. So you have to buy another one.
Okay. So, there is water too. So I want this.
Oh, you can cancel this too. The money will come out from here.
Wow. It is very useful. We can cancel. Is it broken?
No, it says 110 yen here. So you have to put 10 yen more.
Okay. Where's my drinks?
The drink is here.
Oh,
You have to pull this.
okay, thanks.
Thanks for watching. And actually there's another kind of vending machine in Japan. So this is ticket vendor, as it says here. This is actually the vending machine to get the tickets for the food. With this you can buy tickets and get the food in the counter over there, if you can. You put the money here. You put the coins here. You put the bills here. And with this, you can get the change. And change will come out from here. And tickets will come out from here. You can literally just put the money here or here and push the button. And there's another vending machine. It's called ice vending machine, which you can buy ice cream. It's becoming hotter and hotter nowadays. And this is almost summer, so I guess it's good to know about the ice vending machine. Those are the ice creams you can buy, and the money is on here, and you can put the money, you can put the bills here, and also you can put the coins here, and you can same as other vending machines, you can pull this thing to get the change. Change will come out from here. After you push the button here, the ice will come out from here. After you eat, you have lavish, of course you do. And there's a lavish bin here. Well, it's very convenient because you buy here, you eat, and you can put the rubbish here. But there's no vending machine in other countries. That's because of the public order. If there is vending machine in the road at other country, there might be someone stealing the drinks from vending machine. So thank you for watching. And today I talked about vending machine. I hope you had some valuable information here. And maybe see you again, but I don't think I'll upload any more videos.